Mechanics absolutely hate when drivers know this trick, seals. Why? Because it fixes 90% of car problems for free. That's right. No tools, no parts, no $600 trip to the dealership. And once you know it, you'll never look at a check engine light, rough idle, or weird shift the same way again. Dealerships hope you never learn this because if you did, you'd stop handing over your wallet every time a dashboard light flickers on. Stay with me until the end. The final reset controls how your car actually drives, and most drivers don't even know it exists. First off, let's be clear. This isn't some unreliable shortcut or myth. It's a legitimate, technician-approved technique used in garages worldwide, though they prefer charging you for it. Modern vehicles are essentially advanced computers on wheels, relying on electronic control units, detectors, and data networks. Like any digital device, they can experience temporary errors. Detectors might send inaccurate readings, systems can fall out of alignment, leading to illuminated warnings, jerky gear shifts, or unstable engine speeds. But often, there's no actual hardware failure. It's just corrupted or outdated data causing the trouble. That's the key insight pros keep quiet. The majority of issues stem from faulty data rather than damaged components. A detector might report incorrectly, low voltage could trigger anomalies, or the system holds onto old patterns. Recalibrating clears that stale info, allowing the vehicle to adapt fresh to current conditions. Like refreshing its operational memory. Suddenly, many symptoms vanish without any mechanical intervention. We'll begin with the strongest and most straightforward option, the full battery disconnection method. Step 1. Park safely, shut off the engine completely, and remove any keys or fobs. Step 2. For safety, wear gloves and eye protection. Then locate the battery and carefully loosen the negative cable, usually black, marked dash, first to avoid sparks. Step 3. Fully remove the negative cable and secure it away from the terminal. Step 4. To fully discharge residual power, depress the brake pedal firmly for about 30 to 60 seconds. Step 5. Wait at least 15 to 30 minutes, longer for a deeper clear. Step 6. Reattach the negative cable securely, tighten properly to prevent future issues. You'll likely need to reset your clock, window positions, or audio presets afterward, but in exchange, the main computers reboot fully. This erases accumulated sensor logs, restores base idle parameters, and clears learned transmission behaviors. It's especially useful after adding new detectors, swapping batteries, or dealing with unexplained odd performance. Prefer a more targeted approach without affecting everything? Try the fuse panel method. Most cars have a fuse box, often under the dash or hood, with labeled slots for individual modules like the engine control unit, ECU, powertrain control module, PCM, transmission control module, TCM, or body control module, BCM. Identify the relevant one via your owner's manual diagram. Pull it out gently. Use the provided tool if available. Wait 10 to 15 minutes, then reinstall. For instance, removing the TCM fuse after fluid changes on certain models can make shifts feel crisp and responsive again. It's quick, selective, and preserves things like your seat memory or entertainment settings. Another underrated technique is the accelerator pedal sequence, often called the relearn cycle, which works reliably on many makes without any equipment. With the engine off but ignition in the on position, wait a few seconds, then quickly depress and release the accelerator fully 5 times in under 5 seconds. Pause for about 7 seconds, then hold it down steadily for 15 to 20 seconds. Finally, start the engine and let it settle at idle. This recalibrates the throttle position and transmission logic, improving response and smoothness. It's proven effective on various Toyota, Nissan, General Motors, and BMW vehicles. Just follow timings precisely. If you're willing to invest around $20 to $50, grab an affordable OBD2 diagnostic tool online. Connect it to the port under your dash, usually near the steering column. Power on the ignition, scan for stored faults, and select the clear option. It handles common triggers like a check engine alert from poor fuel quality, a forgotten gas cap, brief misfires, or minor oxygen sensor fluctuations. Many tools also show real-time data streams for things like fuel adjustments, engine speed, and detector values, great for verifying your fixes. For persistent or layered issues, go all in with a comprehensive recalibration. Combine the battery disconnection with pulling key module fuses, like PCM and TCM. Wait a full 30 to 60 minutes. Reconnect everything. Then perform a proper drive cycle. Start and idle for several minutes with no accessories. Turn on the AC briefly to load the system. Then take a varied drive including stops, highway speeds, and gentle acceleration. This thorough approach frequently resolves safe mode limitations on brands like Ford, Volkswagen, or Hyundai, freeing stuck systems and allowing proper adaptation. Beyond the basics, here are additional targeted recalibrations worth knowing. Tire pressure monitoring. Properly inflate all tires, turn ignition on, and hold the reset button, often under the dash, until the indicator flashes a few times, then drive normally to confirm. Climate control actuators. With ignition on, simultaneously press the recirculation and rear defog buttons for 10 to 15 seconds to cycle and realign doors. Steering sensors. From a straight position, slowly turn the wheel lock to lock once each way, then drive in a straight line briefly. Transmission adaptation. Ignition on, engine off. Hold accelerator fully down for 10 to 15 seconds. Release, turn off. Wait a couple minutes, then start and drive. Entertainment system glitches. Navigate to factory reset in the menu to fix pairing or navigation errors. Crucially, after any major recalibration, always complete a full idle adaptation cycle. Without it, you might notice surging speeds, hesitation, or instability. Let the engine warm up fully at idle with no loads, then add accessories like AC and drive mixed conditions for 10 to 20 miles. To stay ahead, maintain a simple notebook. Note dates, which method you used, symptoms before/after, and any patterns. This helps spot recurring real faults versus temporary glitches, saves diagnostic time, and can even boost your vehicle's appeal if selling later. If an issue fades post-recalibration but returns quickly, it's likely a genuine component problem needing attention. But if it stays gone, you just sidestepped an unnecessary expense. Now you're equipped with the insider knowledge technicians guard closely. Take charge of your vehicle, recalibrate wisely, enjoy better driving, and avoid those inflated bills for quick fixes you can handle in minutes. If these tips help keep your ride running strong, share your experiences below. Have you ever resolved a dashboard warning with a simple disconnection or sequence? Let's grow a group of informed owners who diagnose smartly before spending.